In the 2018 X2. The BMW X2 is an absolute gem in the luxury compact SUV segment. The sporty look and long list of high-end features are sure to get your attention and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic moonroof, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, heated steering wheel, Sirius satellite radio, heated front seats. Come take a test drive today.